Here is the overview that you really need. So when we talk about Bank of America credit cards, you need to have a great idea about the different types of credit cards that Bank of America offers, right? So Bank of America actually has one of the best credit cards in the industry. We love them. And so they have a constellation of credit cards. So they have cashback credit cards. They have travel credit cards. They have 0% intro APR credit cards. They have secured credit cards, and they have student credit cards, among other things. It's really important to understand that one of the reasons why we love Bank of America is because they stand out with their diverse co-branded cards also. So basically, they offer cards with travel partners like Alaska Airlines and Norwegian Cruise Lines. It also offers cards with other brands, including MLB, the World Wildlife Fund, and Susan G. Komen. So it's very important when you think about Bank of America. I want you to think about a great financial colossus that offers a constellation of credit cards. Now, having said that, you have to think about what is the best credit card for you, right? It's not just about, hey, they have beautiful credit cards, blah, blah, blah. But what do you have for me? What do you have for me? So this is important to really think about your strategy. What are you really looking for? First of all, are you a Bank of America customer? Because it really helps if you already have a relationship with the institution. You really want to have that. This is important. This will help you in terms of helping you get a high credit limit on your Bank of America credit card. Now, what is the best Bank of America credit card for you specifically? Based on our research, if you want to pay off debts or finance a purchase, you want to get the Bank of America credit card. If you spend a lot on travel and dining, you want to get the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. I'll go a little deeper later on, but I'm just giving you the gist of it. If you let's say you prefer flat rate travel rewards, you want to go with the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card. If you want to earn cash back on groceries and a bonus category of your choice, you want to get the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. If you want to build credit, get the Bank of America Secured Credit Card. If you are a student, you want to go for the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card for students. So which Bank of America card is right for you? It really depends on your situation. It depends also on your credit and also the sort of rewards and perks you want to derive from that card. I want to give you a few pro tips here before we actually dig deep into each card, and because we'll go granular on each card. But by the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're having a quick convo about Bank of America credit cards, and I'm giving you the ultimate guide that you need to have. And after this show, you will understand everything. Now, when we talk about Bank of America, they do have a preferred rewards program. That's very important, and this goes back to what I said earlier. If you want a Bank of America credit card, it's just a lot better to first have a relationship with them. You want to have an account with them, at least one account, savings accounts. Say you can have a checking account if you want to, but the thing is, their preferred rewards program is really important, because if you are in this program and you have a qualifying Bank of America credit card, you will earn an extra 25% to 75% on all your credit cards rewards. Think about it. 25% to 75% extra on all your credit card rewards. So that's just a way for Bank of America to actually solidify their relationship with their clients, okay, by rewarding them so they can actually retain them. So to get preferred rewards benefits, you must maintain a minimum combined balance across your banking and investment accounts across Bank of America and Merrill Lynch. So the preferred rewards program doesn't just boost your credit card rewards. It basically entitles you to extra benefits with all Bank of America services you use. Let me give you an example, because then I really want you to understand this is the power of having an MPR, a multi-product relationship. So for example, you could get a higher savings account interest rate, a lower auto loan interest rate, and a reduction in your mortgage origination fee. So this is really good. So the bottom line is that Bank of America likes to give special treatment to its most loyal clients. So if you're part of that group, that's great news. In addition to the preferred rewards program, Bank of America credit cards have quite a few useful features, including high rewards fees, high rewards rates rather, with both cashback cards and travel rewards cards. You have a large sign-up bonus, and you have premium travel perks. So overall, this is a great news. This is great news for a lot of folks. And in terms of fees, sometimes they will charge you interest rate, foreign transaction fee, annual fee, depending on the card. And in terms of credit score requirements, if you have a 600 minimum, you are good to go. You can actually start enjoying having a great relationship with Bank of America. Let me first actually talk to you about the Bank of America customized cash rewards. So now I'm going to quickly go through each of our best Bank of America credit cards so you know exactly which one is good for you. Okay. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Bank of America credit cards. So if you are looking for a cash rewards program, this Bank of America customized cash rewards is fantastic. Wonderful, really. You have excellent customer service. You have a great rewards, okay? And the thing is that you have rewards that have 1 to 3% cash back. Fantastic. The card has no annual fee. We love that. And there is a welcome offer of $200 cash rewards. So this actually is great because it includes a big bonus in the no annual fee category. You have a great 0% intro and transfer APR offer and a flexible cash rewards program that enables you to earn premium cash back in a category of your choice. This is a keyword, category of your choice. So let me talk to you about the pros and cons of this Bank of America credit card. So the pros, you have competitive sign-up bonus. You have bonus cash back in the category of your choice. You have no annual fee. And you have great 0% intro and transfer APR offer. What about the cons? Well, there is a foreign transaction fee. You have a limit on bonus cashback. So overall, when you think about this, the Bank of America customized cash rewards, you need to understand what we love here is that you can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, up to $2,500 in combined choice category, grocery store, wholesale club quarterly purchases, and unlimited 1% on all other purchases. You have a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. Okay, this is really good. But the good thing is if you are a preferred rewards member, you can earn, as I said before, 25 to 75% more cash back on every purchase. So when you really think about it, that means you could actually earn 3.75% to 5.25% cash back on purchases in your choice category. Fantastic. And the cool thing about this card is that there is no annual fee and there is no expiration on rewards. You also can get a contactless card, so you have actually the security of a chip card with the convenience of a tap. Fantastic. Let me acquaint you with the Bank America card. So this card is kind of cool if you are looking for a card that offers you a 0% intro APR. So this is really good. We love this a lot. This card is really fantastic. The good thing is that there's no annual fee also. Okay, and but this card has no rewards. So if you're looking for rewards, you want to actually zero in on another credit card. So the thing is, let me quickly go through with the pros and cons with you so you have a clear idea of what we're speaking here. So the pros. The card has no annual fee. You get your FICO score for free. There's no penalty APR. And there's a great 0% intro APR offer. So this is really good. What about the cons? Well, this card has no rewards. I just said it. And there is a balanced transfer fee. So you got to really navigate the whole process and make sure that you are striking the right balance between the pros and the cons, right? So the thing is that what we love about this card is that it has no annual fee, but there's also because there's no penalty APR, which means what? Paying late would not automatically raise your interest rate. Obviously, I'm not sitting here to it. I'm not advising you to miss payments. Not about that. But the online offer may not be available here. If you leave if you go on the website and you just don't apply right away, you might actually lose the offer. But overall, this is a great card, the Bank of America card. One thing we have to say that we don't like about this card is that they do not raise your credit limits real fast. Like you can be with the Bank of America for 1 year or 2 years. You can have great financial markets. You can have a great credit score. You can have a great income, whatever. But Bank of America on this specific card tends to be very slow, very, very slow. We have seen this over and over again. Okay, from our own clients who have stellar credit. So Bank of America tends to be very slow in terms of raising your limit. So this could be detrimental if you want to transfer a larger balance on this card. You could be limited. I want to talk to you about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. This card is great for one card wallet. Okay, fantastic card. By the way, I want to quickly remind you, boss, I'm still having a conversation with you about Bank of America credit cards. We're actually going through it, really growing thorough. We're going granular into all types of cards that they have. So the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards card is great. If you are, looking for a cashback credit card, this is fantastic because you have a 1%, 1.5% cashback. Wonderful. There's no annual fee, and there's a welcome offer of $200. Okay, so this is cash. This is a cash reward. Fantastic. So when you really think about one thing we love about this card is that it's really a solid pick for a one card wallet with a nice sign-up bonus. You have a great 0% intro APR offer and simple rewards program. So it's even better to pick this card than Bank of America. The Bank of America other credit cards, especially if you are a preferred rewards member. Okay, so here are the pros and cons of this card. So the pros: you have unlimited cashback, you have a sign-up bonus, you have no annual fee, you have a great 0% intro APR offer. Here are the cons: there are no bonus categories, you have a balanced transfer fee, and you have a foreign transaction fee. Okay, so overall, one thing I want to say here is that you have a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. Okay, you can earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases. If you are a preferred rewards member, you can earn 25% to 75% more cashback on every purchase. That means what? It means, again, as I said before, that you could earn 1.87% to 2.62% cashback on every purchase with preferred rewards. Fantastic, because this is really good, and there's actually no limit to the amount of cashback you can earn, and also the cash rewards do not expire. So overall, this is a great card if you're looking for a cashback credit card with Bank of America, and just make sure that you are choosing you are basically a preferred rewards member, so you can actually earn that 25% to 75% extra benefits. Fantastic. I want to talk to you now about the Bank of America Premium Rewards. This is another credit card that we love a lot, but this card is great if you are looking for a card that allows you to earn premium travel rewards, not just regular travel, but premium travel rewards. Okay, and the good thing is that you are getting 1.5 to 2 points per dollar. This is really good. The card does have a $95 annual fee, so make sure that the rewards you are actually getting from this card are at least they are above $95. Like they allow you to offset this fee. Okay, normally if you play your cards right, literally, you should be able to offset this at $95. Not a problem at all. Okay, you have a welcome offer of 50,000 points, which already can actually help you offset part of it, or if not all of it. So the bonus offer, premium travel and dining rewards, and up to $200 in travel related statement credits make this a really, really compelling card in our view. Okay, you just need to make sure that you are a traveler who can justify paying an annual fee. So here are the pros and cons of this card. So the pros, you have a massive sign-up bonus, you have bonus travel and dining rewards, you have travel credits, and you have consumer and travel protections. Here is the one con that we don't like. I mean, we don't like. It is what it is. It is the annual fee. Okay, you have $95 As long as you're okay with that, you're good to go. So overall, when you think about this card, I want you to think about a card that allows you to receive 50,000 online bonus points, which is a $500 value after you make at least 3,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. So you can earn unlimited 2 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining purchases, and unlimited 1.5 points rather, for every dollar spent on all other purchases. So, and if you are a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you can earn 25% to 75% more points on every purchase. That means you could earn 2.5 to 3.5 points on travel and dining purchases, and 1.87 to 2.62 points on all other purchases. So for every dollar you spend. So this is really great. Overall, this is a great, great card. You can get up to $100 in airline incidental statement credits annually, and TSA pre-check global entry statement credits on up to $100 every 4 years. Fantastic. I want to talk to you now about another card. That's the Bank of America Travel Rewards. Okay, so this card is great for travel card with no annual fee. So this actually, the Bank of America Premium Rewards was for premium rewards, but this one is just for regular travel rewards. So if you cannot qualify for the premium rewards, you will love this card. Okay, and this card has good thing is the card has no annual fee. So this is a great. It's a refreshing start here. You have 1.5 points per dollar. Okay, and they give you a welcome offer of 25,000 points. So this is really good. So I want to quickly go through it. What we love also with this card is that you have a 0% intro APR offer on purchases and balance transfers. This is really good. So let me talk to you about the pros and cons here. Pros: you have a big sign up bonus. You have no annual fee. You have competitive rewards rates on purchases. This is really good. You have a great 0% intro APR offer on purchases and balance transfers. Fantastic. And there are no bonus categories, and you have limited ways to use the points. Those are the cons. Okay, so when you really dig a little deeper into this card, you realize that this card allows you to earn unlimited 1.5 points per dollar spent on all purchases with no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. And the good thing is your points do not expire, boss. So this is really good. So you have 25,000 online bonus points after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. First 90 days. So that can be like a $250 statement credit toward travel purchases. And so this is really good. What we love here with this card is that if you use the card to book your trip, what happens here is that you will not be limited to specific websites with blackout dates or restrictions. You can redeem points for a statement credit to pay for travel or dining purchases such as flights, hotel stays, car and vacation rentals. Sorry about that. You have baggage fees. You can use the card at restaurants, including takeout. So this is really good. And obviously, if you are a Preferred Rewards member, you earn a little bit more on every purchase. I want to talk to you now about Bank of America Secured. So this card is really great for building credit. Okay, this is fantastic. So you are able to have if you are new to credit and you are trying to move up there, or your credit has been decimated by whatever happens in the past, and you're trying to come back on track, you can use this card. This card is really fantastic. Now, this card offers a low minimum deposit and a high maximum to go along with free access to your FICO score and the ability to graduate to an unsecured credit card. Now the only thing missing in our view is a modest rewards program. There are no rewards program at all. Okay, and the APR here 24.99%. 24.99%. So what are the pros and cons of this card? Pros: no minimum credit score required. Of course, yeah, you're new to credit or your credit is just battered. There's no annual fee. We love that as well. We love the fact that you also have free credit score monitoring, so you're able to monitor things to make sure that you're comfortable with whatever is happening, and you can graduate really fast to an unsecured credit card. So we love that a lot. And so what about the cons here? There is a high minimum deposit, and there is a foreign transaction fee on this card. So this is the kind of card you don't want to use it when you travel overseas. Also, you don't want to use it on foreign websites. You know, if you're shopping online, and you don't want to use this if you shop on another website, on a foreign website. So basically, when you look at this card overall, it is a secure credit card designed to help establish, strengthen, or rebuild credit. Okay, it can graduate to an unsecured card once Bank of America feels you qualify, and usually it's about after 3 to 6 months of responsible use. Okay, so your maximum credit limit will be determined by the amount of the security you provide, the security deposit, your income, and your ability to pay the credit line established. So if you provide a deposit that exceeds the calculated maximum amount based on your ability to pay, a check will be refunded to you for the difference. And you can access your FICO score updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app or in online banking. Okay, you just need to opt in to receive your score, the key factors affecting your score, and other information that can help you keep your credit healthy. I want to talk to you about the final card in today's conversation. We're speaking about customized cash rewards for students. So this card, as the name implies, is great for students and cashback. So if you are in that category, if you love cashback and you happen to be a student, this card is great for you. And what we love about the card is that you are able to have a 0% intro APR on up to 18 billing cycles. And in terms of credit score, if you are new to credit score, that's fine. If you have fair credit score, that's fine. So the APR, the regular APR will oscillate from 16.99% to 26.99%. We love that. And the rewards 1% to 3% cashback. And there's no annual fee, so this is really good. And in terms of welcome offer, you have $200 cash rewards. So when you think about this card, this student credit card has it all. You'll have a hard time finding a student card with a cashback program this lucrative to go along with a sign-up bonus, really. So pros and cons here. The pros, you have a competitive sign-up bonus program. You have bonus cashback in a category of your choice. No annual fee and a 0% intro APR offer. So this is really great. And you have a foreign transaction fee. That's for the cons. And you have a limit on the bonus cashback. So those are things you really need to think about what really works for you. Okay. But overall, when you think about this card, what we love here is that you have a student credit card that has no annual fee, and they actually give you a bonus. So let me just break it down a little bit for you, because I really need to make sure that everybody is on the same page here. So you have a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. This is really good. And so you earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, 2% at the grocery stores and wholesale clubs, up to $2,500 in combined choice category, grocery store, wholesale club quarterly purchases, and unlimited 1% on other purchases. You have a 0% introductory APR for 18 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfer that you make in the first 60 days. Then it becomes $16.99 to $26.99% variable thereafter. Remember, there is a 3% fee, right, that applies to all balance transfers. One thing we love about this card is that there is no expiration on rewards, so that's just fantastic. And also, if you are a preferred rewards member, you can earn 25% to 75% more cash back on every purchase. Fantastic. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just giving you a very detailed walkthrough when it comes to Bank of America credit cards. So I gave you an overview, I gave you a few pro tips, and we actually reviewed in depth all the best, in our view, the best Bank of America credit cards. So we have the customized cash rewards, the Bank America card, the unlimited cash rewards, the premium rewards, the travel rewards, the secured, and the customized cash rewards for students. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.